Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word louder. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Please speak louder so that everyone can hear you. The word louder is an adjective that describes a sound or volume level that is higher or more intense than before, typically used to indicate an increase in volume or strength. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.